Go from the phone. Today we're going to be using Sweatcoin. Now what is Sweatcoin? Sweatcoin is the app designed to get you to get paid while you're walking. So this is the amount of steps that I have done today with my phone in my pocket. Sweatcoin is a free app and it's available in Canada now. It was available in the States before, but it is now available in Canada. So this is a really cool app. And the great thing about this is that it doesn't use internet to track steps. All you need to do is just turn on your GPS. So this is the main interface. What you see in the center is the amount of Sweatcoins you earned today, and on the bottom are the amount of steps, and then this is my username and profile data and my subscription, which is a mover. But you can also change your subscription, so we can press change subscription and then you can make sure that internet is connected there. So that's pretty much all we have to do. So far I've earned $10.26 in Sweatcoins just with 13,000 steps. I've been walking a lot this morning and it's been so fun just to feel like your movement can be made into monetary value. So I've already synced a few steps already. We're just gonna send some more steps here. Let's send them right now. And every 2,000 steps, your coins will get sent to you. And the great thing about this app is that it analyzes the steps properly so that it gives you the coin amount that you can get. So 4,000 of these steps that I've earned can be converted into the Sweatcoin. So it's converted into $4.10 in Sweatcoins, and then they issue it to you. And it gives you tips on how to earn faster and more, device settings, turning battery saver up, upgrade for free to shaker, other steps, walk outside. So those are the main tips that it gives you. And you can go here and there, I'm just earning more coins as I go. And you can go to the shop and use those Sweatcoins into really cool swag. So there are a lot of offers. Now the brands are the same. They never, the brands always change into something different. So there is like an acai offer. We're going to click on that, and then we can you can buy it for $5 or get $5 off. And then there's Run Go Premium, where you can get Run Go Premium Limited. You can get it for 40 Sweatcoins. And then there's a unique offer, and then that's a unique app that allows you to get apps for free. And then there's the Calm app for meditation. You can get it for 6 Sweatcoins. And then there's also the Charms bracelets. Now, I've never heard of these, but it's really cool. And then when you sign up for your first week, it gives you new offers here. So there is a way that you can become a Sweatcoin influencer, and you can also paste the link in the bio in the story, and we can just invite more, and you can earn $20 PayPal cash. So this is really, really cool, and I am just so excited about it. And you can also get a Fitbit Flex for 350 or 550 Sweatcoins. So you can get some really cool stuff if you save up enough Sweatcoins. And it shows your friends on the leaderboard here, where you can invite friends to get the Sweatcoin app just as you, and it's amazing. This is like the app to use to get fit, and it's free. So if you are in the States and you have Sweatcoin, totally use it. And if you are in Canada discovering this video for the first time, get Sweatcoin right now. The link to download is in the description below, and I will be sure to give you more information. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.